Hi everyone, my name is Peter Samouelian. I'm one of the engineers here at Red Hat. Today I'll look at the product recommender quickstart. The product recommender tackles a classic problem in e-commerce, which is matching your company's products and services with your customers. Let's take a look by logging in as a sample user and log in. Now from this point, we can click on an individual product and see its image and other details. We can also add the product to the cart, as well as add a review. And we see that there are already quite a few reviews populated for this product. Now, when we click on the AI Summarize button, the system gathers all the product reviews for the given product and submits it to the Red Hat AI Inference server, which is hosting an LLM. And this LLM generates a summary that highlights the strengths and drawbacks associated with this product based on all the information in the reviews. And this happens at real time. So if I close that summary, I can head back to the landing page. And now from here, the user can also actively search for products using text and image queries. So if I go in here at the top and type in thin remote controls and click search, I can see the appropriate products come up. So this technique is called hybrid semantic search. Now we can apply the same technique using images. So if I find a file and I find other similar products or products related to batteries, and this is using the same technique with a slightly different embedding model, which is the OpenAI CLIP model. Let's go ahead now and log out so that we can look at the new user onboarding process. The next screen basically starts a multi-step interview process, which prompts the user for his or her preferences. So we can navigate using high-level categories and add them directly as preferences. And really the objective here is to solicit feedback from the user on which products he or she prefers. And the user can simply click on the products to make the selections. And this effectively fine-tunes the information we have about what the user is looking for. So the user selection in the onboarding process is used right away to create a temporary landing page for appropriate products. And as the user interacts with the system immediately starts recording those interactions and uses it the next time the recommender model is rebuilt to fine-tune the recommendations for that user. And that concludes our demonstration. Thanks for watching.